Hey there! Retirement planning gets a lot less abstract the moment you can see the number and the year on one screen. Let me walk you through the retirement and FIRE calculator, tab by tab. Start on your info, your age, your income, what you've saved, what you contribute, and your assumed return. Everything else is built from this. The dashboard turns that into the headline answers, your projected balance, your target number, and how far off you currently are. The savings projection runs your balance forward year by year so you can watch compounding do the heavy lifting in the back half. The account planner splits contributions across your 401k, IRA, Roth, and taxable accounts and checks you against the annual limits. The FIRE calculator works out your number from your spending and your withdrawal rate and tells you the year you could stop. Withdrawal strategy models what happens in retirement, how long the money lasts at different withdrawal rates. The expense planner builds your retirement budget line by line because your FIRE number is only as good as this figure. And scenarios lets you compare side by side. Save more, retire later, spend less, so you can see which lever actually moves your date. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.